Hello, in this video, we are going to see how Excel Copilot enables you to effortlessly manage your data by offering features such as sorting, filtering, and highlighting. My name is Paresh, and you're watching 365 Pros. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I hope you do, and also click the bell icon so that you get notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's just go ahead and have a look. Now, what you see on the screen is the same data set that I have been using in my previous videos. And what I'm going to do over here now is I'm going to simply ask it to sort this data by year and maybe by store as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on the Copilot icon so that it opens up our sidebar. And then over here, let me just provide a prompt saying sort this data by year and then by store. All right. And let's just click on send and see what happens. Now, one thing to note is while some of us may find this manual sorting in Excel quite straightforward, however, when you use this via Copilot, it can help you to streamline the process, particularly for multi level sorting tasks such as organizing data by year and then by store. All right. So as you can see, Copilot has finished its task, and over here, the year has been sorted by ascending, that is from 2018, 19, and onwards, and also then by store, that is store A, B, C, based on year and then by store. Okay. So again, just to reiterate, it is quite simple already doing sorting in Excel manually. All right. However, when you do it by a Copilot, it can help you to avoid number of clicks, especially when you are performing multi-sort. For example, in this case, sort by year, and then for the same year, sort by store. Okay, so the other operation that you can do over here is filtering. All right. So what I can say is maybe I want to sort this data for only the coffee product called cappuccino. All right. So I will provide a prompt over here and I will say filter my data for only cappuccino. So let's just see what happens. Now, this is a bit challenging because I haven't told Copilot which column to use. All right. I have just said filter on cappuccino. So it should be able to find the coffee product itself. If it doesn't, then I need to provide or specify the column name in the table. And as you can see, it has find the right column, that is coffee product, and filtered on cappuccino as I provided in my prompt. All right. So that's how you can do filtering as well. All right. So the next part is highlighting. Now, before I go to the highlighting part, let me just clear all this over here. Right. So I can also highlight as well. And this is helpful because if you want to highlight certain things, you can definitely do it by using the prompts in Copilot. All right. So let's just see if we can highlight the rows over here. Okay. So let me just say highlight rows where the number of customers exceed 500. And let's just click on send. Now, I purposefully used this particular prompt because I know it's not going to work, because right now there's a limitation where it just cannot highlight the whole row. It can only highlight the column. And as you can see over here, it says, I'm sorry, but I can only apply formatting to columns in the tables, not rows. Would you like me to apply formatting to a column instead? So it just looks like it cannot do that as of now. And based on when you're watching this particular video, maybe there are some more improvements, and maybe in future you can also highlight the rows as well. So let me just change this prompt a little bit. And over here, I will provide the prompt highlight the column where number of customer exceeds 500. All right. So let's just see what happens. All right, so that's great. It has gone and found out the right column, also checked our condition, and based on that, it has highlighted. Now you can see that it has used a default color for highlighting. So let's just try some fun part, okay? So let me just say over here, highlight the column instead of yellow, highlight the column in blue where the number of customers exceeds 500. So let's just see what it does. Okay, so that is awesome. Well, I did not have to provide a hash value or an RGB value for the color. I just said highlight the column in blue and it did it for me. So that's fantastic as well, right? Okay, so basically we saw the prompts for sorting, filtering, and highlighting. Now, one thing I want to mention over here is that you can actually chain all these queries together, and this can make it helpful to do the analysis that you want to do with the Copilot. All right. So before I show you that example, let me just go ahead and clear this off as well. So for example, I will use a prompt over here which says, okay, filter my data where year is 2019 and coffee product is latte, and sort the rating column by ascending order. I can also use higher to lower, lower to higher. That's the benefit of using LLMs because it can interpret your language as well. All right. And I want to highlight the column rating that is below 2.6. Okay. So let's just see what happens. Okay, fantastic. Over here, you can see that the year is filtered on 2019. The coffee product is filtered on latte. The rating has been sorted in ascending order, and only those values have been highlighted where the rating is less than 2.6. All right. So that is another set of things that you can do apart from sorting, filtering, and highlighting. That is, you can combine all those prompts for your analysis purposes using Microsoft Copilot. I hope you like this video, and to watch more such videos, keep watching 365 Pros and stay tuned. Bye for now.